Okay, now the keyhole neck. See, the design is coming like this. This is your neck shape. Okay, now from here to here how much deep we want. Okay, here to here how much you want, here how much you want, and this is how much width we want. Each and everything we can decide. For example, here my complete neck width is deep is 5 inches. Okay, from here to here 3 inches, and this is 2 inches I am taking, and here the width is 1.5 inches. Okay, how to draft each and everything, let's see. Here the ready shoulder is 3 inches. Okay, before that we drafted back neck of 3.75 inches ready shoulder, and next one is boat neck 2 inches ready shoulder. Now I am taking 3 inches ready shoulder. Okay, how to draft it, let's see. Okay, for this one, first draw one straight line. (2.5 inches) from the armhole side, 2.5 inches standard neck width, and shoulder divided by 2. My shoulder is 14 inches. 14 divided by 2, 7 inches. Okay, from here 1 inch down marking. From here take 1 inch down marking. Join these two. Now from here to here take armhole. Okay, this is back neck. That's why armhole formula is chest divided by 6 plus 1 inch. Now the chest is 33 inches. 33 divided by 6 plus 1 inch. 6.5 inches. From 1 inch down marking, we should take 6.5 inches. And draw one straight line. This line is called the chest line. Same process. Here only the neckline changes. Now we'll mark the chest. Okay, now the chest is 33 inches. Here I am adding losing 3 inches. Okay, chest plus 3 inches losing divided by 4. Now the chest is 33 plus 3 inches losing divided by 4. 9 inches. From the armhole side, on the chest line we should mark 9 inches and 1 inch margin. Done. Now from here to here mark the center. Before center marking, draw one dotted line. Now mark the center. From 1 inch down marking to on the chest line, mark the center. From this center, take 1 inch inside, and from here take 0.5 inches inside. Now from here take cross marking of 0.75 inches. If your chest is less than 40, we'll mark 0.75 inches, this one diagonal marking. If your chest is greater than 40, we'll mark 1 inch diagonally. Join from this point to this point. Now using arm scale, draw your curve. This is for the front arm. Okay. Now for the back arm, from here take 0.5 inches. From here to here draw one straight line. Now draw your arm curve. This is the back arm. We'll use the shoulder minus. Okay, shoulder cross mark. Here the ready shoulder is 2.25 to 3 inches. My ready shoulder is 3 inches. Now we should minus 0.5 inches. Okay, from the arm side. From the arm side, we should do minus 0.5 inches. From here, we should minus 0.5 inches. Now, from this marking, join to center marking. This is your final arm. Okay, this is your final arm. Now from here to, from this point to this point, mark the center. From this center marking, take neck deep as well as full length plus 1 inch extra. Okay, my front neck deep is 1.5 inches. Okay, sorry, back neck is 1.5 inches and front neck, for the front neck deep, here if you are observing, front neck 3 inches as well as 2 inches for the V neck. Okay, now 3 inches and 2 inches. Here for the 2 inches it's look like a V shape. If you are getting V shape, what we are doing is, whatever the deep is there, deep minus 0.75 inches. Okay, now 2 inches is the deep from here. Okay, first draw this back part. Now 3 inches center, 3 inches for the front part. Okay, now what we are doing is, from here we should take 2 inches. Okay, for this shape we need to take 2 inches down marking. For this 2 inches I am reducing to minus 0.75 inches. If yours is V neck, we should do minus 0.75 inches. So 2 minus 0.75 inches is 1.25 inches. From here we should mark 1.25 inches. Okay, and draw one straight line. Done. Now from here take 0.5 inches for the stitching. See, .5 inches for the stitching. Now from here we should mark ready shoulder. Ready shoulder is 3 inches, right? Whatever the ready is there, ready plus 1 inch extra. So 3 plus 1, 4 inches. Now I am marking 4 inches. Draw one straight line. Done. Okay, now from this marking, join your back part. Join back neck. Done. For the front neck, okay, see, if you are observing here, for the front neck, now the gap is 1.5 inches, this width. Whatever the width is there, 1.5 minus 1 inch divided by 2. Okay, if you, it is look like a square part. Now whatever the width is there, width minus 1 we should do, after that divided by 2. Okay, why we are doing this one means, see, if you are observing here, this width is 1.5 inches. This is armhole side. Okay, whatever the width is there, width minus 1 divided by 2 we should do. This is overall how much we are getting, 0.5 inches divided by 2 means 0.25 inches. Each side 0.25 inches we should mark it. Okay, 0.25 means after stitching you will be getting exact, see, 0.25, this is half inch for the stitching. 0.25 plus half inch, 0.75 inches. One side 0.75 means both the sides will be getting 1.5 inches. So our ready is 1.5 inches. That's why what we are doing is, whatever the width is there, width minus 1 divided by 2, we have to mark it. Now here the width is 1.5. 1.5 minus 1 divided by 2, that is 0.25 inches. From here we should mark 0.25 inches. From here take shape like this. After that, from here to here, join. See, now this is V shape. See, if you are observing, the stitching is coming like this, 0 0.5, 0 0.5, 0 0.5 stitching. After that, you will be getting like this. That's why here 0.25 inches. After stitching 0.5 inches. 0.5 plus 0.25, 0.75. Overall, you will be getting 1.5 inches. Okay. Here we should remember one point. Whatever the width is there, width minus 1 divided by 2. And for the V, if it is look like a V shape, for that what you are doing is, whatever the deep is there, deep minus 0.75 inches. Because here what happened is, this is 0.5 inches for the stitching. If you are starting like this, okay, after stitching you will be getting more deep. Then whatever the deep is there, you will be getting ready extra deep. That's why for the V neck and all, we should do whatever the ready is there, ready minus 0.75 inches. Clear this part? Okay. Next, from here only, from the center marking only, this is the center marking, right? From this center only, full length plus 1 inch extra. Here the full length is 14 inches. 14 plus 1 inch extra, 15 inches. Draw one straight line. Now we should mark the waist round. Okay, waist round is 28 inches. Whatever the waist round is there, waist round plus 2 inches losing. 28 plus 2 inches losing divided by 4. 7.5 inches. From the armhole side, we should mark 7.5 inches. And 1 inch margin. Join these two. Join chest line and the waist line. Okay, clear this one. Now we'll start cutting. Okay, back part is ready. Remove the back part. Now we'll cut the front part. Done. See, if you open like this, how it's look like this. Okay, this is the keyhole. Now let's see the stitching. For the neck finishing, how to trace the canvas, you know, right? So this is right side, shining part is right side and blur part is wrong side. Okay, we'll fold like this. Unfold side and unfold side should match. See, I am placing like on fold side. Trace your neck. Remove and take a margin of 1 inch. Take 1 inch and trim it off. Now let's start cutting. Now we'll cut the front part also. Now we'll do the neck finishing. See, for the neck finishing, now we are sticking the canvas like this, right? This side, inside cut to cut, and outside is 0.5 inch margin. Now we'll finish it off first, this one. Now take your main garment. See, this is right side, right side, place it. And stitch for the 1/2 inch. Back also will finish it off. Right side, place it. Now we'll do the pressing. See now how to do pressing. Now let's see the shoulder attachment. For the shoulder attachment, see right side. Okay, place like this. Okay, open one block and stitch for 1/2 inch. This side. Okay, other side also finish it off like this.